Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today I will show you how you can render in After Effects. First, make sure you have your project on your After Effects, then head to the top and click on File over here. Now click Export. On the options, click on Add to Render Queue. You can now go to your render sections below, then head to Render Settings over here to adjust the quality and resolution. Then hit OK once done. After that, click on Loose Less beside the output module. On this prompt, you can adjust the format and audio codec. Once done, click OK. Lastly, go to Output 2. Over here, you can just choose the path location of the file you will export. You can just change the name of the file and its location. And once done, click on Save below. Then you can see your render over here. Click on it, and you're done. Your video will render to output destination. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.